Hi everyone, this is Megan from Hire for Baby Melton and my handy helper here, Aurora, and we just wanted to chat to you for a second about what to do when the weather gets colder. So here in Victoria, the weather's starting to get colder and we have some car safety tips. So most people, obviously, it's cold, you rug your child up in their jumper and you pop them in the car seat. But we just want to show you the danger of doing this because there's going to be some hidden slack with your big puffy jacket. So we're going to just put Aurora's belt on. Here, get all the twists out. Just one click and we put the shoulder pads up. And here's another click here. So Aurora's just got on like a fluffy jumper and her rain jacket, which would be a pretty typical thing to put on a chilly day. So here we'll tighten up her straps nice and tight. And you can see, you think she's ready to go. The straps are all nice and tight, and so I'm going to show you what happens now when we take the jacket off, and you'll see how loose the straps actually are once these jackets aren't on, because in a crash these things will compress and you'll get a bit of hidden slack in your straps. So we'll just pop this back off, and Aurora's going to take off her jackets. There we go. Pop your arms out. And then without tightening this at all, I'm just going to show you how loose these straps actually are. I'll pop these back in. And you can see I can fit my whole hand and arm in where these straps are. And even Aurora can probably slip her arms right out of there. And obviously that's not very safe. So we'll put our arms back in. And we'll tighten up the straps again, nice and tight. And we're pushing the buckle all the way down to keep this belt across her hips. And now this will be nice and tight. Then if she's cold, what you can do is you can get her jacket and you can pop it on her backwards, just like that. And she can snuggle in that. Oh, where's your arms? There you go. Pop her arms in and she can snuggle up nice and warm like that. Or what we often do in our house is we keep a blanket or two in the car and she can just snuggle up with her blanket and we're all ready to go. So if you have any questions about how your child fits in their seat or how the seat is fitted in the car, you can just send us a message on Facebook and we're happy to answer it. Thanks guys, bye.